So here is the 60th anniversary Fender Stratocaster that I'm selling. It's in outstanding condition. I hardly played it. The pick guard still has the plastic on it. There are no scratches that I can find anywhere. It's practically mint. I've looked all around it. I just cannot find any scratches at all. It's had very, very little use. Purchased around 2006 or 7. Has these cool little indications that it's its 60th anniversary. For example, right over here, let's see here, it's kind of hard to focus. There we go, right on the headstock, it says 60th anniversary. Then if we go right over here to the very back, you'll see here that's got this cool chrome 60th anniversary panel on there. Like I said, the condition of the guitar is outstanding. I cannot find any major scratches whatsoever. It sounds great. Hard to find. Let's make a bid and do some business.